Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Flax in Windrose. You'll first of all need to have the foothills biome unlocked and found in the map of your boat. Once you've done that, the Flax fiber is useful for line and fabric and unlocking the spinning wheel with the shoemaker's bench. To find the Flax, it's kind of a blue flower which looks like this, and it's found in the flatter area of the foothills biome. You can go ahead and pick it up, and you'll get some flax seeds and flax fiber from it. The flax seeds can be then planted inside of the seedbed to be more safely farmed. So this is going to be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.